Hello hookers, crafters, and laymen. The negative stitch is used in Mosaic Crochet when you want the design to show up on the back of the project as well. It does inverse it, which means the colors are opposite, and if you have words on the front, then they're going to be backwards on the back. Before we get started, I want to note that I have seen people make the negative stitch two different ways. I prefer the version I'm about to show you because it makes the stitch a little bit taller, like a double crochet, since it's worked onto the back of a double crochet. Negative stitches are worked onto the back side of front loop only double crochets. So on this little swatch, I've already done 2 negative stitches. From the front, it kind of looks like I just did back loop only single crochets. You'll be inserting your hook into the back loop and the back loop of the row below that. Insert your hook into the back loop of the next stitch and into the back loop of the row below that. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the back loop of the next stitch that you would normally work into and into the back loop of the row below that. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook into the back loop in the back loop of the row below. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and your stitch is done. So make sure you're putting your hook through 2 back loops that are stacked on top of each other, and then yarning over, pulling through 1, yarning over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we can see those negative stitches have covered up the orange row. So if you're working a pattern with 2 alternating colors, then when you reach down into the second back loop, it should be the same color as the yarn you're currently working with. So you can see that that second back loop I'm going through is the same blue as my working yarn. There you go. The front just looks like back loop only single crochets, but on the back you can tell that I did negative stitches to cover up that orange row. Negative stitches are used when there is a front loop only double crochet in the row below. So for this next row, I would have to work a negative stitch into this one and this one. Then I see that I could do back loop only single crochets or front loop only double crochets into these open front loops. Then I would work a negative stitch here, not a negative stitch, a negative stitch, not a negative stitch, and I would end with 2 negative stitches. So you can take a regular mosaic crochet project and turn it into a reversible project by just doing negative stitches anytime there's a front loop only double crochet. I personally prefer to use the negative stitch on a project because it keeps the back nice and smooth. With regular mosaic crochet, when you do a bunch of front loop onlys in a row, it creates kind of a flap or pocket of stitches. Not doing the negative stitch doesn't impact the look of the front at all. You still get those nice, beautiful, crisp color changes. But I do feel like the look of the negative stitch, especially on a blanket, adds an element of sophistication or professionalism. It elevates your blanket and looks technical while being simpler than you maybe first thought. Let me know if you prefer the negative stitch and if you have any more mosaic crochet questions. Later, hookers!